take you over, you just can't breathe.
Time for a quick grungy eye look. So starting off with our lovely primed eyelid and eyebrows already done, I'm taking a large fluffy brush and putting a kind of almost army green but also more so brown shade on that brush, and just going ahead and really blending this out nicely while still making sure there's enough pigment, since this is the focal point of the look. Now taking a lighter peachy shade, I am blending out the edges a little bit just to make sure it isn't too harsh of a stop, and it kind of makes a nice gradient onto my actual eyelid. Taking a little bit of black and that same kind of army green brownish shade, I take a smaller brush and blend that underneath on my lower lash line to kind of give some depth and continue that lovely grungy look, as well as bringing that mixture of those two shadows up to my upper lid just a little bit. Now, somehow, surprisingly, I was able to do my eyeliner on camera, so I'm just going to stop talking and you can watch this because I find this extremely satisfying. Wasn't that lovely? Well, now it's time for lashes, and look at that, the look is complete. Don't mind me struggling to find where I'm focused in camera. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and give it a try.